right, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the channel. It's about noon on Saturday, and I gotta tell you, we haven't sold any of the big stuff, but we're killing it. We have done all right today, and we still have a ton of product. Although the free books, honey, tell them, look at the free books.
These bins were all overflowing.
Yes, they were overflowing, and now they're not. We've had a couple of people asking about that drum. A lot of people have asked about the drum. And then what we got on the table. We have moved a lot of stuff today. A lot of stuff. To the point where I just keep pulling stuff out. A lot of people have asked about that. Tools. We had a whole bunch of stuff there. Surprised these tools haven't gotten any better. Yeah. All right, so you see it. I wanted to give you guys a sneak little peek, show you what was going on. We sold a good amount of shoes. I'm gonna start a shoe business. But yeah, this has been our Saturday so far. We didn't take you in on this is going to be the only Saturday clip. It has just been way too chaotic and crazy trying to flip around cameras and do all that other stuff. So we're just staying with this right now. All right, well, that's your Saturday update. I don't know if I'll see you anymore today. I may see you a little bit more. Who knows? Happy Sunday. We are back. We are back in action. Look at what we got going on here. This was a call from yesterday. Said, hey man, can you get out and get this stuff? And yesterday that was not a possibility. Not a possibility. So I was like, nope. Sorry, can't do it. But we can be out first thing in the morning. And he was like, that's awesome. I'll leave it out back. I'll leave it out front for you. You come whenever you want. And I said, you're my kind of guy. You are my kind of guy. It is the first day of football. And guess who will be completely unaffected from that? This guy. Football used to run my life. I mean, literally run my life. We would do nothing. And when I tell you we would do nothing on Sundays. Because Sundays were fantasy football. But I don't do that anymore. I haven't done it in 3 or 4 years. And I mean, all love and props to the people who do it. I'm not trying to poo-poo on you or people who really like football. But unfortunately, football was hurting my success. You know? Took me a while to realize that. And don't get me wrong, I still keep up with it. I don't want to sound all holier than thou. It just doesn't control me anymore. And I've been waiting for football season to get back because I wonder if I could just bend that back. Oh no, that thing is jacked up. I've been waiting for football season because last year during football season we cleaned up. We were doing about 11,000 pounds last year a week. So I really wouldn't mind getting back to that. We need to get back to that. Finish the year strong. That would be nice. But we need a little luck, you know, such as with all things. Need a little luck. So I feel lucky though. Oh, yesterday was a resounding success. Yesterday it was tiring. I did not think I was gonna work today, but we woke up pretty chipper, so that was, yeah, all the numbers will be coming out soon. But I will tell you guys is we had over 50 sales, and that isn't like, that's individuals. So I'm gonna tell you, we sold well over 100 items yesterday, I believe. If not 100, I mean, really close. Really close. So overall, it was a resounding success. It has now strengthened my conviction that we're doing the right thing. And it's got me wanting to really pursue this store thing. So I'm gonna start looking for locations, and hopefully we can yeah, it needs to be at a certain price point, but if we could get a small space at a good price point, and it's our own space, not like a flea market or something like that. Just, yeah. So anyway, that is... Oh, look at that one, just popped right off. Oh, there's another one. Oh. Oh. And there you go. Let's fill this trailer up about 3 times today. God, that's gonna hurt. I don't know how much we'll have here. Oh, did I tell you guys I sold my Crocs? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. They were in my car, and when I was taking everything out, what do? Not even thinking, because they were in the back. Put them all in there, and yep. Disaster. And then when the guy was buying them, I realized that they were mine, and I'm like, oh, but I had already given them a price, so I just let them go. Bye-bye. So now Lauren's like, all right, I guess I'm buying you new Crocs. So probably lost money on that one. Oh, and my back is just jacked up. Jacked up. It's just sore. Muscle soreness, picking everything up, laying it down. I gotta fix that. And then we're out of here. Yeah, and yesterday was so chaotic. There was so much stuff that we just didn't get out, which is sad. What do we got here? Some clothes? This all clothes? Like canned goods? It's like clothes mixed with canned goods. I don't know what this is, but we'll take that. Couple books. Oh, the free books yesterday, big hit, big hit. We went from 7 bins to 4 bins. So we gave away 3 bins of books yesterday. So that was super cool. I don't know what in the that is. We're gonna take it though. Flashcards. And the best part of all of it is I can get back to taking stuff again. Lauren just shook her head when I said that. She gave me the old, are you gonna do this all the time routine yesterday? Because I kept saying, oh yeah, it's pretty good that I, you know, pick this stuff up, huh? And that's where we got to at the end. Are you gonna keep doing that? Yes, honey. Yes, I am. Boy, so it's what do we do with this bag? The whole bottom of it looks trashed. It looks like bathing suits, so we're gonna pass on that. Oh, we'll take our books though. Books for the win. We are down to 7% on the dial. So if this clicks off, it's just because we ran out of battery. So the other one was overheating yesterday because I was charging them in the car. So it got pretty hot in Florida yesterday. Got a little sunburnt. Nothing crazy. Don't hurt now or anything. More of that draining sun, where it just drains all of your energy by the end of the day. That kind of sun. All right, well, these are all the neighborhoods right over here. We're gonna swoop back around, go back into my neighborhood, and then see what time it is when we get done with that. And then maybe hit up another neighborhood for the morning run and see if it yields anything. All right, so I feel pretty confident that no scrappers have been through here this weekend, or at least they didn't go down this road, because I remember seeing this on Friday and I was just in such, what do you call it, mode, yard sale mode, that it didn't even matter. I wasn't hooking the trailer back up, any of that. We'll just throw this away at the house. We're gonna clip those things too. Get most of that plastic off of there. We're gonna finish our neighborhood, go dump this, and then just go wandering. We're just gonna scrap all day. Okay, so we're back at the house. We're gonna dump all this stuff real quick. But just to give you a quick peek at, okay, so this never even made it out yesterday. The toolbox never even made it out yesterday. Those didn't make it out yesterday. I mean, crazy. All this stuff over here never made it out yesterday. It's just craziness. Here, the strollers did not sell, so they're gone. The running boards didn't sell, they're gone. Just some of the stuff that was hanging around, the running board, all the outboard motor. Found out that's like a Kawasaki or something. It's hard to get parts for it, so off it goes. Off it goes. The chairs didn't get out, so they're going too. Everything's going. I had a couple people ask about that drill, but as soon as he told them it was broken, nope, so we're done. We're done with that. These I was gonna throw out, but now that I'm over here, I'm like, all right, maybe we'll keep it. All right, so I'm gonna unload this stuff and we'll bring it back when I'm done. All unloaded. While I'm here, I'm gonna break down these boards real quick. This was our Gigantor table, and we used every bit of it. We actually, as stuff started leaving, we were putting out more stuff, you know, in its place. So, really good day. That's a whole bag of shoes that we're donating. We had literally like a shoe factory here yesterday. It was insane. Like, I should start a shoe store. We had so many shoes. Upset, and I'm like, why would I use that bit? Because that's the screws you put in, silly head. I don't know what I did there. Come on, baby. One of these days, I'm gonna show you some of the other stuff I've built. I don't know if you guys have seen it, but that brown entertainment center that's in there, in the garage, I built that with Captain. Yeah, see, there is still something over there. I'll have to show you the table that my TV is on. I built that as well. That was an interesting build. That one was pretty fun. That one I cut out like, I think it was like 164 little pieces like that. And they all go in a line, and then the other one comes down and goes up, and then I framed out the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah. I've done like flags that need to be like wood burnt, like Alabama flags. I'll throw some pictures in here. Yeah, I'll do that. If there's enough time today, I will throw some of the pictures of some of the woodworking stuff I've done. I'm not even sure why we're talking about that. Oh, because I broke out some tools. You guys don't see me work with tools a whole bunch. But I used to work with a lot of tools. A lot of the time. Many, many years. Oh, what do we got going on here? Many, many years. We, like I said, I got my master's in plumbing, so many years playing construction. We're back out on the streets, starting our, call it midday load. It is about 10:30 right now, so we'll see what we can do, see how high we can stack this thing to the sky. All right, all right, all right, all right. Go. See, something like that would sell in a store. You clean it up, maybe give it a nice little paint job, make it so it don't look all jacked up. Instead, I'll probably scrap it. But I'm just saying, something like that I think would sell. We are back. You know, it's interesting because I was just about to get discouraged, just starting to get a little discouraged. We ran through a lot of neighborhoods since the last time I've seen you, and boom, little voice in my head said, don't get discouraged, it's gonna come. And then like literally 10 seconds later, boom, here we are. So someone trying to get me to work on some patience, which is good. We'll take that. I need patience. Ooh, some springs. Plus, sitting in the car too long starts making my back tighten up, because we worked that thing yesterday. My poor bacalonte. Oh, look at that guy. He's got the, I didn't even notice. He's got the AC unit. He's all hooked up. Yeah, there we go. He is all hooked up. And we are all hooked up. Let's go. Christmas tree. Coming soon, folks, coming soon. Old Christmas tree time. We had 2 of these yesterday and neither sold. How do we fold this one up? I wouldn't mind getting into the, who has one of these? Who has one of these? Who can tell me how to fold this thing right now before I just go full Hulk mode on it? Ah. Ugh. Oh, the buttons? Maybe the buttons. Nope, those go up and down. Okay. Got any more secret buttons around here? Yes, right there. Just keep going. Look at that. Much better than the way I was gonna load it. Oh, little kid shoes. Yeah, we'll take those. And we'll take those. No, you can have those. We'll take the kids' clothes. We'll take this bad boy. This here is gonna go. Those shoes can stay. We did sell a good amount of shoes yesterday. All right, we're off. Gated neighborhoods is open, so figure might as well come on in. And this thing is jacked up. I got a buddy who's looking for one, but I think this thing's a little too crazy. All right, regular route is starting to hop, boy. We see something right down the road. We'll be right back. We are back in action. Our first really big, well, no, I guess that smoker was pretty big earlier today. Now, just waddle this thing up. And I seen there's something else right down the road. So we are just gonna keep on hammering, hammering, hammering. This thing is almost too much. I don't know what to do with this thing right now. I almost wish we didn't pick it up. We could take this thing apart. Start loading it with stuff maybe.
Hey, I've got some iron chairs down there.
Yeah, I'm gonna take them on the way out. Are they already sitting at the road? Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Right where that blue truck is sitting right there.
Okay, cool. Go Lions. That was a good win the other night.
Proudly,
that's right. Here, we'll take this one off. They don't all have the cushions. All right, we just did some manual labor, which is always fun. All right, let's take these in. That can stay. These can all go. Oh, look, we got this right here, this chair set and this lawnmower from a gentleman. So, oh, these are all aluminum. I can feel that. I can just feel it. They are light. So this is a neighborhood that's usually gated off, but the gate was open today, so I even did a U-turn and I said, I want to hit that. And boom. Boy, did we want to hit it. This has been a great neighborhood so far. All right, we'll hit that with another strap and be on our way. Doing a little blade breaking. We'll even take them with us. Oh, I almost had it all. Yeah, let's start stacking that thing up. It's gonna fall apart later when we go to do it. Oh goodness, huh? Oh goodness. Oh, there's puzzles in there. You seen yesterday, pictures will sell. All right, let me put some of this in there. I'm actually gonna pull up, get in front of their driveway. Oh, some of the things are missing. I was gonna say, that would be dope. But some of the things are missing. It's a cute little Easter bunny. I bet you we could sell that. I bet you we could. What is that? It's a dinosaur. That puppy. Let's see what else we got up in here. Nemo poster. Nah, that's about it. All right, well. Something. I don't think I'm gonna keep that. Oh, no, it's not broke. It's the way it's supposed to be. All right, we'll keep this. We'll let Lauren make the final decision on it. And then we can go from there. See what the boss has to say. Yeah, we'll take all these. Oh, the glass. Never mind. We won't take all those. All right, let's go. Gentlemen, we got us a big nasty. And we got us a big team left coming. Okay. Gotta get a plan with this thing. Big left, team left. Big old cast iron sink. We like that. Came down off of that thing a little too quick. My back did not like that. It's just fatigued. It's a little back fatigue. I'm a little sore. Nothing crazy. Nothing that's gonna stop us from doing 8 loads today. 8 loads. Ow. Don't hit me in the face. I wouldn't mind doing 3. That would definitely be all right. I wouldn't mind pulling 3 out of this area. That would be sweet. Say it with me. That would be sweet. There we go. All right, that's that. Okay. Now this can go right up in there. I was gonna try like selling these two. And maybe if we find some like really immaculate ones, we could still try that. But I think for right now we are just gonna stick with the I wish I had what do you call it, my Phillips head. These will have to go somewhere. Oh yeah, look at that, that came right off. They do like that. That one ain't coming right off. Yep, this one will. All right, well, hey, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. Starting to make a little mess. All right. We got some chairs. We're a big fan of chairs around here. We used to do a whole gimmick on them. Let's go. Let's bring it back. Let's bring back the chair. Just for this one. All the time. Wow. So glad I still have the tip of my fingers. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Man, that hurt. All right, well, the old gimmick is sit back, relax, and smash that like and subscribe button. So much fun. So much fun. And that was big. Say it with me. Team lift. Whew. My mind sometimes is so all over the place, I forget my own gimmick. But I guess that's life, huh? See what we got here. Let's see what kind of fun has been left for us. Take this, take that. Some plumbing stuff. Yeah, that's cool. It's good, we can take all that stuff. I'll leave that. Bottom ain't so good on this. Get it in. Boom. We're just filling up this little back half and back to the house. And that is metal. We would take that as well. Almost there. Almost there. Couple more things. All right. Back on it. I was really thinking about, you know, going home. We were really thinking about it. But we're still out on it. I don't think that is. We're still just grinding on it right now, trying to fill this trailer up more. And it kind of has to do with like filming schedule. I want to give you guys the most out of this day, because if I go home, that's the end. That's the end. So we got to make sure we have plenty for the next day, and I don't know if I'm gonna do 3. It's a whole thing, you know, it really is. Did you see that nail right here? Can't let you do that nail. All right. But today has just been exceptional so far. We had you on the ride earlier when we went out and got some stuff, and then this one getting some stuff, filling this back a little bit with some stuff, and we'll be on our way. All right, I was just thinking to myself, man, I wish you wore gloves. Team lift, holy moly. Get it up. That was a big old grunt. Yay. What do we got here? A little rolling chair. What is this? Plastic. You know what I remember when I see rolls like that? Do you remember the Brady Bunch episode when they go to Hawaii? Because Mike's gonna give that big presentation, and the spider and all that, and they're carrying around the roll of prints. That's where my brain goes to. Don't know what that means. Maybe the Brady Bunch had a traumatic effect on me as a kid. That's the way we became the Brady Bunch. That was a good show. It's always Marsha, Marsha, Marsha. Oh boy. I don't know about you people sometimes. Oh goodness, dude. Goodness, dude. This load's becoming silly. Yeah, it can go right there. Hey, do you want to go right there? Come on. This one's not nearly as heavy as the other one was. That other one was heavy. Oh, look at that. All right, well, this is gonna be it for this. And then we will, I don't even know. It's been so long. Yep. Been so long since I had little ones that sit in stuff like this. We're gonna head back to the house. We will, once we get there, we're gonna unload, maybe grab some food, and then try to get right back here. I don't know if I showed you the pile earlier, but there it is now. And we're gonna unload this one and then sign out, I think. And that'll be it. That'll be the day. Okay, that's the end of the day. We're done. That's it. I'm gonna cut it off here. I did want to get you the quote of the day. The individual who says it is not possible should move out of the way of those doing it. Trivia Cunningham. So that is yeah, I'm into that. Everything's possible. The right mindset, the right get out of my way. Everything is possible. Oh, these phones. I hate these phones. But you know, these phones, it's the way of the world. So that's the day. Thank you so much. We really appreciate you guys. I'm tired. I have to get back at it. We got to be quick today, turn it right back around. We're about an hour ahead of schedule, right around there. It's almost 2 o'clock, so right back at it. We'll probably do one more load today and be done. We're trying to not be out all day. If we can get 2 full loads, and we had that half of one earlier, so that's a good day. That is a good day. And hopefully be done by like 5 or 6, which is also a good day. So, all right, thank you so much for riding along. We really appreciate it. More yard sale stuff to come. I'm gonna try to get to editing it sometime during the week. You know, the schedule is pretty crazy, so it may be next weekend before I get to it. But yeah, not exactly the way I had planned it in my head. Next time I'm definitely gonna have somebody following me around with a camera. We used the tripod all day just because I was all over the place, so I was moving the tripod around as I could. We got a couple of interactions, this, that, and the next, so we did the best we could. We'll put it out. But yeah, overall yard sale, huge success, huge success. Thank you to everybody who supported it, everybody who came out. We did, I'll come out with the final numbers just to give you a little teaser. We sold over 100 items and we made over $1,000, so that is really a good weekend. We'll come out with the exact numbers when the movie comes out. So thank you so much. I am already exhausted and we got to go get another load in, so I'm gonna go do that. Thank you so much for all the support. Remember, there is no us without you. Team lift is more than physical, so if you can help somebody today, I encourage you to do that. I really appreciate all you guys. Have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.